everyone, welcome to Tanya Peale. Today we're going to do a yoga for flexibility practice. We're going to do about 15 minutes, checking in with our hips, hamstrings, our spine, our shoulders, all of the above. We're going to check in. So first thing we'll do, let's get started. Let's find our box, hands and knees. Take a couple of cow and cats. So working a little bit of our spine flexibility. Inhale, extend the spine for cow pose. Exhale, cat. We'll go again, inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale. Very nice. We take our neutral spine. From here, we bring our knees all the way together. Take our right leg, inhale, stack the hips and open. Take a couple circles here. And you can change the directions backward and front. Come back to your stacked hip. Inhale, knee to the belly, shift forward into lunge on the knee. Pushing forward, going for all the space. Front leg extend, inhale. If you need to prop yourself up, go right ahead. Exhale, bend, push back forward. Again, inhale. Exhale. So you want to push as far as you can, right? One more, inhale. Straighten the front leg as best you can and exhale, bend. From here, we come back, inhale, bring the right leg back to extend to the side. So here, we're going to come down to the elbows and just let the leg, inner thigh, hips, pelvis start to open a little bit here. Feels pretty good. You can just shift a little bit out to the side, just a little. And hold. So here we're taking inhale up to the hands and exhale, pull back just a little bit so that you're right on top of the knee on the left side, adding a couple of twists here. So first one is going to be the resisted side. So we'll take our right hand underneath heart so we spin around our waistline and spine in a straight line. Left arm up in the air. Inhale, reach. Exhale, come back down. Change hands. So left hand underneath the heart. This one we get more room to twist because our leg is not affecting us this way, opening. So inhale, open, reach. So see how far you can go here. Long spine, belly's in, reach, reach, reach. And come back. Take one more each side. Right hand underneath the heart. Inhale, extend, arm up. Exhale, down. Change left hand for the right one. Inhale, reach, and exhale, back. Feels good to twist. All right, leg in. So here we sit in modified hero's pose. So for many, this plantar flexion or a pointed foot is actually quite uncomfortable. If you've been standing on your feet, if that's been your job for many moons, many years, you stand, your mobility in your ankle might be of issue, or you might just have your foot is not used to being pointed, and maybe the kind of shoes that you wear all the time. All these things are just observations. So try to stay here and just let your feet kind of stretch out. And then for others, it may be tucking the toes under. So we're going to give that one a go too. So come up to the hands, tuck the toes under, and so right here you're gonna know, maybe this is as far as I go, and try to find space in between each little toe, or maybe I can sit back. And we're gonna try to give equal time for both. So this is a little bit of dorsiflexion. If you want more, you can pick up the higher up and just sit on the ankles or the feet as so, which gives the ankle less of an angle. It's a good stretch. All right, and we come back. So we'll take our other side. We did cow and cat. We'll move, same thing. So whenever you're ready, inhale cow, exhale cat. Go again, inhale cow, exhale cat. One more, inhale cow, exhale cat. All right, neutral spine, knees together. Then we have our left knee, we stack the hips, inhale, stack hips, and take circles. So we take a couple one way, and then just go through the reverse. Then back to stacked hips, inhale, stack. Exhale, knee to the belly forward. So we're back to a lunge on the knee. Push the hips as far forward as they'll go. Try to spread the toes out in the front. Make sure the foot is pointing directly forward. Here we go, inhale, extend. The front leg, I'm picking my foot up off the earth. Exhale, bend. And push the hips as far forward as they go. Inhale, extend. On the extend, we try to straighten as best we can and bend. One more, inhale. And exhale. So here we pull back. Inhale, we pull the leg back and extend to the side. So first thing is just drop down to elbows. Check in, and maybe slide the left foot a little bit away. Let the inner thigh, pelvis find some stretch here. Make sure you breathe. Don't hold on to anything here. All right, pulling back. Inhale, we pull back till our right thigh is perpendicular to the earth. So we're taking twist here. We take the resisted side first, so now it's the left hand leading underneath the heart. Inhale, we reach, right arm up, and back down. Exhale, change for the right hand. Inhale, remember this one, you get more space. Inhale, reach. Oh, that feels good. And back. Take one more each, left hand down. Inhale, reach, right arm up. And down. Right hand down, left arm reach. Inhale, reach. And down. Very nice. We pull the left leg in, and we come back to our variation of hero's pose. So here, I'm going to open up for some room. So I'm just going to move my feet off to the side as well as my knees, and just see if I can sink my hips down on the inside of the feet. Just sinky, sinky, sinky. See what happens. See what happens. That's pretty good. All right. So inhale, rise up on the knees. They should be fairly underneath the hips. If they're not, go ahead and bring them underneath the hips. Not together, just underneath the hips. So here we try a little bit of back bending, which is front body stretching. So tuck the tail under, reach the right hand back, and left arm back, drop the head back. Front body stretch, front of the thigh stretch, no sinking into the lower spine. And come up. Same thing for the other side, left hand reaching back. Reach, reach, reach. And come up. Try both if you have it. You can tuck the toes under if you need to. Reach back. And we come up. and take a sit. Round the spine, make a ball, so I'll bring my legs all the way together and take this down. Inhale, we come back up to a box shape. Exhale, prepare. So we'll bring our knees all the way together again. And take right leg, inhale, stack the hips. Exhale, foot outside of the hand. Pushing the hips as far forward as I can here. So a little bit different stretch than in the lunge. Front leg extend, inhale, extend. Maybe get the elbows down this time, add more stretch. And bend. Again, inhale, extend. Maybe the elbows come down and bend. So this time I'm going to give you an option. Inhale, extend, come here, or exhale, take us forward. So it's not a monkey split, it's a lizard split. The leg is off to the side. So maybe your hips are high and the leg is shifting off to the side. Just make sure your hands are on the inside of the right leg, not splitting, right? Inside. And come back all the way to knees together. Hands underneath the shoulders. We go again. Left side, inhale, stack hips. Exhale, foot outside of the hand. We push the hips as far forward as they'll go. Front leg extend, inhale. Maybe the elbows come down, more stretch, and bend. Again, inhale. And bend. Remember, options on the third one. So inhale, stay here, or exhale forward. You choose. All right, all the way down, and make sure the hands are on the inside or somewhere in the middle, right? And just hold and breathe. And inhale, pull back. Exhale, release the leg. Let's make our way down onto our spines. Pulling the knees into the belly. We let the legs fall to the right side for a nice twist here. Other side up and over. Inhale up. Exhale over. One more each side. Inhale up. Exhale over. Maybe change the legs a little, make them straight. Other side. Inhale up. Exhale over. And here, knees into the belly. Left foot down, right leg up. Catch onto the right leg, pulling in. Nice long stretches. So here we're going to add half of a happy baby. So bending the leg, letting the knee come down to the earth. So if it feels good to you, left leg, go ahead and make long. And then we'll just extend our leg to the right. So literally just straighten the leg. You're already there with the thigh off to the side. Come to center. One leg up, one leg down, both straight. Hold 3, 2, 1. We'll take a hip stretch. Bring the left leg up. Cross the right one on top. Stretch out the hip a little. All right, right leg, foot to the earth. Straight left leg up. So here, half of a happy baby. Bend the leg, move the thigh off to the side, pull down, just do your best. Either stay here or if it feels good, extend the right leg down. Straighten the leg to the side. You're already there. Just extend out of the knee. Long stretches, lots of breath. Pull back to center. Inhale, center. One leg up, one leg down. Hold, hold, hold. Getting ready for the same hip stretch on the other side. So right leg bent, comes up. Cross the left leg on top. Pull in. Take your hip stretch. Ooh, this side needs a little bit more stretch for me. All right, 2-leg happy baby. So we open up. Okay, so you're more than welcome to stay here or try a reverse Upavishta. So it's long stretch again, trying to get the toes to the earth and leaving the hips grounded as well. We close the door, catch behind the knees, rock up, straight legs forward, fold. Flex your toes, dorsiflexion, and fold. So here you may notice bent legs. Just do your best to keep them together, not flaring out. If they're flaring out, too much fold for you. Just come up and leave them bent, keeping your chest to your thigh. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, let's go wide and open. So this is our wide-legged stretch. Last one. So first thing we'll do is fold on top of each leg separately. So check in with your legs. You're trying to have your knees and toes just point straight up, right? Not forward folding or backward or anything. You want them both to be like exact twins, but mirror image of each other, right? So we try to do. So it's on the folding in the center where we'll notice that shifting forward or not, and back or something of the leg. So we try not to. So anyway, here we are, wide legs. Turn towards the right, take breath. Head to knee, just fold on top. Inhale, center. Left side, exhale. Inhale, center. We'll take one more each side, side body. So here, you're getting a little twist away of the right leg. Think of your right shoulder moving on the inside of the knee. Left arm is inhale, reaching long towards the leg. So either you're here or going deeper. Oh, such a good stretch. And come up. All right, so same thing, turning away, shoulder left ones on the inside of the left knee. We try. We reach or go deeper. And come up, inhale, just go right in for center. Remember, no internal rotation. Leave the legs alone. Okay. So here we are in our last pose of the day. So I'm going to leave you here in it. I'm going to stay here a little bit longer too. So always a pleasure to lead you through your practice. I hope this one served you. Until next time, all my love. Namaste.